Marketing. What is marketing anyway? Don't make a product and then see who wants it. Who is your market? Marketing is not a business card, it's not a billboard. Marketing is influence. If you're not investing money in marketing in your business, then you're not going to make money. You got to pay to play. Who are you marketing to? Decide in advance, I'm making this product for entrepreneurs. I'm making this product for single women. Then you market to that audience. Marketing is a science. The worst thing that can happen to a good product is bad marketing. And the worst thing that can happen to a bad product is good marketing. I'm sure you've seen both. There are so many inferior products on the market today, but somebody was a marketing genius and was able to sell us on buying a pet rock. I know that your product is better than a pet rock, but the business owner, the entrepreneur behind it, knew how to market that better, maybe than you and me know how to market our products. So we're going to get into marketing today, and I want to start out with a simple thing. What is marketing anyway? You know, there are 72 different definitions for marketing, and all of them are relevant, but I want to give you 3 definitions today that I think are the most potent, the most simple, and the most usable. So are you ready? The first one is that marketing is educating. It's educating. But here's where most entrepreneurs miss it when it comes to education-based marketing, and that is, what are you educating people on? See, most of us think that we are to educate people about our product or our service, product knowledge. That's not what I look at when I look at educating a consumer. Real education-based marketing is educating a consumer on the price that they're now paying for not knowing what it is that you know, or for not having your product or your service. That's a whole different mindset when it comes to marketing, because people will do more to eliminate a pain in their life than they will to even gain a benefit. And there's a price to pay for people not having your product or your service, and you need to feel like that. You need to feel like you're robbing people if they don't have your product, or that they are in some way missing out by not having it, what it is that you sell, what it is that you offer. So education-based marketing is one of the forms of marketing that we use in Circle of Champions, and I love it. And let me explain to you why this way of marketing works so well. Education-based marketing is giving valuable information to a potential client before they ever give you a dime. Now, I love that, because when you give first, when you serve first, the law of reciprocity kicks in, and people are more open to buy from you when you've already begun to solve a problem for them, when you've already begun to give value to them before they've ever paid you. I have used this thousands of times, and it works all the time because it's the law of reciprocity. If you were to walk down a hallway and you smile at somebody, even a stranger, most likely they're going to smile back. It's the law of reciprocity. They're going to want to give back, and it's even subconscious. They don't even have to think about it. So that's why education-based marketing is so powerful, is because you're giving value up front. And the person that gives value up front wins. Let me just go back a little bit here, because I feel this. Several years ago, the marketing, you could do what's called direct marketing. You could just push your product out there. I used to shoot out an email and fill up an event. Now I gotta do videos. Now I gotta do audios. Now I gotta coax them, because there's so much competition. You would even wonder how anybody can sell information today with so much free information on the internet. Like right now today, I'm giving away some free information that can change your life right now if you do it. If you start using what's called education-based marketing right now, it will change your business. Go out in 2020. I'm getting ready to give you $1 million strategy right now. You ready? Go out in 2020 and see how much value you can give away without asking. No, you're going to get paid, but I'm talking about without including a sales pitch, without trying to close. I heard one person say it this way, the person that can hold their breath the longest wins, which means you don't go for the sale so quick. You build a relationship. You see what the customer's need is. You look at how can you genuinely serve them. Is your product even right for them? Because the faster you try to close now, the less likely you are to get the sale. There's a price to pay. If you're just pushing your product, sometimes I go into an event and people are shoving their business card into my hand. I don't mind accepting a card, but that's not the best approach. I've gone into church and somebody's trying to sell me on the way in the door. And so that's not the best form of sale. It doesn't work. All you're perceived as is a pest. So how can you give first? $1 million strategy is looking at how can you put out more value in 2020 than you ever have in your life. And that's why I'm doing these videos. It's not about, look, I may offer you something in some of them because I may be doing an event that you can benefit from. But for the most part, I am doing these videos to add value to people that I have never met and that I may never meet. So education-based marketing is powerful. I wish I could spend more time on that, but I got to get to the next one. The second definition of marketing is influencing. Every time you put out a piece of content, a postcard, an email, a website, a Facebook Live, or anything where you are promoting anything, your mission is really to influence. It could be a lot of different ways that you want to influence a person, but at the end of the day, you're not putting it out there just to entertain. You want people to eventually take some action towards your product or your service or your business. So marketing is influence, and it actually is like purchasing a piece of real estate. That's what branding is actually. It's like purchasing a piece of real estate in a person's head. Good branding pre-sales people on you before they ever meet you. That's what I love about branding, and that's the power of branding. But marketing and branding is actually two different things. Branding is more long-term, where marketing can actually turn into a sale on the first. I've had people come into my events and on the first time they've ever come, they purchased a membership or they bought my coaching, because marketing is more instant, whereas branding is more long-term. That'll be another session. So influence, marketing is influence. And then the third thing is that marketing is a system. And a system is a repeatable process that produces a profit. And your marketing must become systematic. And I'm going to share with you in a few minutes. I may get to it on this video. I cannot promise it. The 3 systems that I built my business on, especially, I knew nothing about marketing. I knew advertisement, but I didn't know what marketing was, and especially a marketing system. But if you have a marketing system, that means you can duplicate that process over and over and have a predictable outcome. So think systems. I want to interrupt this video to say thank you. If you're still listening, that it shows me that you are committed to your business and committed to mastering the most important and powerful business skill on the planet, which is marketing. Right up there with public speaking. Both of these are the 2 skills that I think that every entrepreneur should master. And I want to invite you, if you've never been to a Circle of Champions event before, then I want to invite you to be my guest at Unleash Your Marketing Genius. It's a seminar that I do twice a year where I break down marketing in a way that most never get it. Just like what I shared today in education-based marketing, that is a system and it's a way of marketing, and you can do it well or you can do it poorly. And I want to help you to do it well. I'm telling you, I'm going to teach some things that's going to rock your world. Don't just listen to me, listen to them. All right, so this is Bob Yates, and I'm here at the Unleash Your Marketing Genius workshop. And I've got all these fired up entrepreneurs over here. Hey, look at this group back here. These are the marketers. Oh, what about this group back here? Y'all have a good time today? Yeah. Oh, y'all see them? Look, what about this group? Who has the best group in here anyway? And what y'all are seeing is a bunch of fired up, entrepreneurs? Look, if you've never been to how to start and succeed in your own business or how to unleash your marketing genius, y'all heard it from the masters right here. You want to join us for the next event.